Hello friends, it's Sherry from Turquoise Dreaming. How you doing tonight? I am here to share my little collection of little golden books. So welcome to my channel, and this is my little collection. I'm sharing it because I got a comment from one of my subbies that said that they never had seen mini little golden books. And I was so surprised because I just thought, you kind of, when you have these things, you kind of take it for granted that everyone knows about these things, you know what I mean? So, but I think it was somebody that wasn't from the US, so maybe that's why. But anyway, I thought it would be fun. I don't have a giant collection or anything, but I have quite a few that I've acquired here. I've made only 2 of them into little golden, mini little golden book journals. So, and these are potential journals, but I kind of, when I decide to make a journal out of one, I kind of just go through them and decide at the time which one I want to use. I don't have any that I absolutely will not make into a journal, but I have not really made that decision yet. So, when it comes right down to it, I might say, oh no, that one, I got to keep that one type of thing. But, so let me I'll show you from the side all the pretty little golden spines, and they're all tiny. Except this one is a little golden book, but like this is the one I just made, the little mini little golden book I made out of one like this. So I was trying to explain that because I had already covered up the spine in the video. So I'll show you this one first because it's a little different, but it's still a little golden book. It says right here, golden book, and this is the sweetest Christmas, and that's Winnie the Pooh, as you can see. But it has this kind of it's a kind of almost silvery, but I think it's supposed to be gold. I think it actually is gold. It's just hard to see in this light, but it's a little bit thinner than the other ones. You can see how thick these are, and this one's a thinner cardboard, and these are thicker like the regular little golden books. So I had 2 like this. This one, again, the other one was Lifesavers, and this one's also Lifesavers. But you can see it has this little golden book has the line there, and then here's the little storybook. And then, there's the back. It's the green back on this one. The dates on these, let me see, this one is 1997. So that's one, and that's the only one I have left with the plain little spine there. So all the rest of these have the little golden book regular spine. Now this one's a little bit more worn than these others I see, but this is a Theodore Mouse Goes to Sea, and you can see how small they are. They're all about this size. And here's the back of this one with the yellowish back with the little animals around. And this one is, see, look at the inside, isn't that cute? Just like the big ones, but smaller size. So I see this one has a little bit of a rip on the page right here, but everything else looks like good. I haven't looked at these since I bought them. Probably just bought them, and I looked at them when I bought them, and I put them up on my little shelf over there. I have a little a ledge on my bookcase actually where I store my supplies. That page is ripped too. And I have I have them lined up like on a bookshelf, so they're so cute. But I have them lined up there so I can see them because they're so cute. I just, I didn't want to put them inside of a cabinet or something. I don't see a date in this one. Maybe it's in the back. Yeah, this one's in the back. That's different. 1983 on this one. So not super old, but it is vintage. Super cute, right? And here's 101 Dalmatians. This one's a little stiff. I can feel it hasn't been used as much as that Theodore Mouse one. But it, again, has this little inside here. Oh, this one has the copyright in the back too. And this one is 1991. So super cute. Little golden book, mini little golden book. Here is the Christmas Pageant. Let's see, here's the back. Let's see, this one had the yellow back. Yeah, this one has the yellow back. This one is 1984. Super cute. Here's the front of that one. I brought the camera down so you could see without it looking like it was 10 million miles away, but that one's in great shape. So super cute. This is the Fuzzy Duckling. Believe it or not, I found about half of these, probably about half of these in a thrift store. This one, what? Well, it does look old. This says 1949. Wow, I can't believe it's that old. I didn't realize. I don't know if it really is, but that's what it says. And the cover does look worn here, but I don't really know. All I can tell you is what I've seen in front of me. But it's in really good shape here inside. So I have my doubts that it's really 1949, but I don't see any other date, no Roman numerals. Here's the back of this one, Best Loved Children's Stories, special miniature version of Golden's Best Loved Children's Stories right here. Here's the back of that one. The spine looks good. Here is the classic, Hooky Little Puppy. I was reading a story about how, I don't know if I said this before, this one says 1942. No, this cannot be 1942. It looks way too new, but maybe it's just a reproduction of a 1942. But I was reading how Little Golden Books got started and a story about it, and it was really cool that someone wanted to make Little Golden Books as a cheaper version of books because they were making books kind of for children, but they weren't like cute little books. They were like books for children, but not cute. And they were kind of expensive for that time. So somebody said, well, let's make a cheaper version of books for children so that, all children can have a little book, a cute little book to read. And that's kind of summarizing it down to a very condensed version of the story. But anyway, I thought it was really cool how they got started. Because I never read that before, and I've been collecting them for a long time. But see, this one's really cute. So here's Toodle. Trying to make sure that it's in the camera and not with no glare. Back of that one's yellow too, that yellow color. Not yellowed, but yellow. 1945. And so cute. This is in good condition. No writing or anything. The little space there. This one is The Curious Little Kitten Around the House. Let's see, the back says 1986. So, cute little cover with a cute cat. And the back is the yellow. And here's the inside. Okay. The Sleepy Book has a little bear on it. This one is from, it says 1948. And, oh, this one's got a little spot on it. I just noticed that. And there, the inside of that one, all nice and pretty much perfect. Is that a spot or is that supposed to be there? I don't know. But whatever. I still love it. Here's Peter Pan. These seem to all have the yellow backs. And then, let's see, no writing. Here's the inside, 1989. Just so cute. Peter Pan. And that says Walt Disney on it. Walt Disney's Peter Pan. This is a Walt Disney one also, Dumbo. So cute. Yellow back. And let's see, 1988 on that one. So you see the inside. Just so cute. The whole story's there, just like the big ones. Now here's another, oh no, this is not another. This is Prince and the Pauper, Walt Disney's Prince and the Pauper. And there's the front cover. A little bit of the gold seal is off there. And the yellow back. Inside looks good. Let's see, this one says 1990. And this one does have 2 dates. Let me see if the second one is 1990. That is 1990 also in Roman numerals. So yeah, that's that one. Here's Pinocchio. Really cute. Oh, Pinocchio. Yellow back. Inside looks good. And this one is and this one has 2 dates, 1948 and 1939. So you know I know it's a lower date. I mean, it's the higher date, which is the copyright, but I still don't believe these are from that time period because they're just too new looking. So I think it's just reproductions. So here's the Beauty and the Beast. Super cute little, I love the color. Has the yellow back. And inside, this one's kind of stiff, look like no one's ever opened it. Yeah, 1991. And just, oh, look at that pretty picture. Super cute. Super cute and tiny. The Little Mermaid, and you know that's not that old. I think the Little Mermaid came out when my oldest son was little. Let's see what it says. As the year 1992, or maybe it was my younger son, because he was born in 95. So this is 1991, 1992. So anyway, cute. So I hope you're enjoying these. I just you know, didn't have any idea that everybody didn't know about these little minis. So I know I saw Lollapalooza share a collection of something. It was something really cool. And I had some too. And I was like, oh, that's so cool to see someone else's collection of something you have and see what they have that's different, you know. I thought that was really neat. So I thought, well, maybe I'll just share my little minis, you know. So this one is 1984 and it's Bambi. That's pretty much a classic, I would say. And everybody loves Bambi. This is the last one, Snow White, another Walt Disney little golden book. Here's the back. That's neat that this is white too. And then here's the inside. Oh, this one has writing in it. Is that pencil? I think it's pencil, so I could erase that. So there you go. See, everything else looks good. And then this one is 1948, 1937. So cool. All right, so that's it. So I just have them sitting over on my shelf like this, and I see all my little golden spines sitting there. So cute all the time. So I don't know if I'll ever make another little mini golden book, but I might at least make one out of this one, this little thinner one, and then these could be my collection here. But you never know. I mean, that's why I bought them, to make journals out of them, but I think they're so cute. I don't know if I can do it, so. And they don't take up very much room, so why not just keep them, right? So, okay, I hope you enjoyed. I'll let y'all go. Have a good night, and I'll see you next time. Happy crafting and happy thrifting.